Good afternoon, friends. Namaskar. On behalf of the directors, advisors, and staff of Kulashruti, I extend a very warm welcome to all the students to the first activity of the academic year 2021-2022. As you are all aware that the second wave rapidly disrupted the normal life across the world. But I wish to congratulate each one of you all for having faced the challenge so bravely by staying home indoors, healthy, happy, and eventually you got used to the new normal that is a virtual learning. And now I'm sure all of you must be looking forward to go back to college for your physical learning. But the question is, what about your safety? It is a big challenge. And it is here that Parashruti comes to your rescue and helps you to make all your dreams come true. I am Mrs. Beena Gole, the retired principal of Swami Vivekanand High School and Junior College, and now I am the chief advisor at Parashruti Shikshan Mandal. Well, our Indian education system, as you all know, is basically a marks oriented, and Falashruti has a well-earned reputation for guiding and preparing the SSC and HSC students at the board examination. What distinguishes Falashruti from other coaching classes or other coaching culture is that Falashruti channelizes your energies to make you think deeper and in the right direction, makes your preparation simpler, straightforward, and stress free. And therefore, the students of Falashruti normally say that scoring at Falashruti at the board exam is a trend, whereas we say that it is our culture, and that is how the students have been able to secure very high scores at the board examination. Not only at the board, even in the future, in the other examinations, they have been doing very well, and today they are at the top of the world. And now you can get an insight about the physical Falashruti's activities, our way of functioning from the PPT, which I am going to show you with you just now. Let us see the PPTs that we have been presenting to the students. Our first slide is of Goddess Saraswati, an epitome of education and knowledge. Let us invoke her blessings and start with our remaining slides. The Board of Directors take this opportunity to cordially welcome all our dear parents and students to the orientation of HSC students. And I am Mrs. Beena Gole, the Chief Advisor of Falashruti Shikshan Mandal. Our agenda for today is what is Falashruti. We are going to discuss about what is Falashruti, what are our standard operating practices, what are the activities of Falashruti that will be held during the course of the year. The other points that we are going to discuss is regarding the distribution of writing materials for all test papers to the students at the centers which have been allocated to you. Then the online orientation for parents and students, which has been held today. The online subject-wise guidance lectures and sharing of synopsis in the PDF form. Paper writing at home under the parent supervision. Conversion of answer papers in PDF form and uploading them in the Google Classroom for online assessment, and online guidance lectures for every student by the moderators. Now, what is Falashruti? Falashruti is not a coaching class, but it conducts only test series. We have only one test series for the students for arts, science, and commerce. We have 4 test series over here, one course. Then it focuses on enhancing one's writing skill. Just knowing the subject is not sufficient. One should know how to write the papers and how to score marks. So these writing practices will help you to improve your writing skill, and you will be getting a better knowledge of how to write and present your papers when you start attending your subject guidance lectures. We also train the students to practice time management. It so happens that once you get the paper in your hand and you start writing the papers, the question answers which you know very well, you start attempting those answers. And by the time you come to the last question, you find that you don't have sufficient time to complete your paper. as a result of which you do not get the same marks which you had expected at the board level. So this is a very small example that I'm giving you over here. So practicing time management is very, very essential, and these tips will be given to you when you start attending the lectures. It also gives you an opportunity to interact with the examiners and the moderators during the face-to-face guidance lectures and get all your doubts solved or get your doubts resolved and ask all the queries that you have in your mind when you have the face-to-face guidance with your moderators. The Falashruti Shikshan Mandal is an academy which is run by a group of experienced teachers. It was started almost 3 decades back by dedicated and experienced teachers and principals because they felt that scoring at the board examination was very, very essential to get into the reputed institutions in and around Mumbai, and therefore they started this particular academy to train the students master the writing skills according to board's expectation, presentation technique, and better time management. Unless and until you master these skills, all the 3 skills like writing skill, presentation, and time management, it is not possible to score as per your expectation. Providing the USP of Falashruti is providing subject-wise guidance lectures after you have finished the writing of the papers and the correction of the papers is over. The teachers will be giving you personal guidance. It would be like giving personal tuitions for the students because you will be sitting with the paper across and the teacher will be sitting with the paper on the other side, and then you can discuss the whatever doubts you have with you in your mind along with the teachers that who are going to conduct your sessions. Next, our achievements from 1990 onwards. You can see from 1990 to 2006, we had 468 students in the merit list, after which the board had discontinued with the merit list pattern, but still from 2007 onwards, till date, we have over 2,000 students who have scored above 94%. And that's a very big achievement. These 10th standard students initially who had joined Falashruti, they felt that once they came to 12th standard, they felt that they were missing something. They were not getting what they had received from the colleges. So they approached the Falashruti Shikshan Mandal and they requested them to continue the same practice even for 12th standard. And that is how the 12th standard students have also started benefiting by joining Falashruti. So we give credit to the ex-students who have pressurized Falashruti Shikshan Mandal to start with the 12th standard. So 12th standard we have arts, science as well as commerce. Next. The standard operating procedure which we are going to follow is maintaining health and safety, that goes without saying, following social distance norms, virtual classroom for subject-wise guidance and face-to-face guidance, and online submission and correction of answer sheets. See, we have mentioned over here virtual classroom guidance, subject guidance and face-to-face guidance, and online submission and correction. We are not going to invite any students to any center to submit the answer papers because the submission is going to be online. The assessment is also going to be online. Just as you are going to submit the papers, answer papers online, similarly, our examiners are also going to submit their assessed answer papers online so that both of you will be saving your time and energy walking down up to the center and getting the papers in hard copy form. So there will be reduced. We are not going to handle the physical papers. It is going to be all online. Next. What are the modes of communication? The first was the email. When you filled up the Falashruti admission form, you had provided us with the email. With the help of the email ID, we took sent you the link with which we had this WhatsApp group. And after the WhatsApp group, now the next step is we are going to start with our Google Classroom. So communication with the students is very, very essential. And we will be using all 3, WhatsApp, email, and Google Classroom. Once the Google Classroom becomes functional, most of the announcements are going to be done through Google Classroom itself. So Falashruti will be creating a unique email ID for each of the students for Falashruti activities. It is going to be exclusively for Falashruti activities, not for anything else. Along with the email ID, you will be given a password which will be shared very soon with you. And thereafter, our communication from both the sides, even you can communicate to us, we would be also communicating to you. It's going to be only through Falashruti ID that we are providing. Instructions regarding the Google Classroom will be given to you at the end of this session. What are the activities we undertake or how do we function? The first activity is our subject guidance lectures. What do the examiners or the subject experts discuss in the subject guidance lectures would be, they would be discussing about the question paper pattern. And as you know, it is going to be the revised paper pattern which the board has declared. The marking scheme, the presentation skills will be given to you. The study techniques will be given to you. What is the evaluation pattern by the board is also going to be told to you. And the weightage of marks and tips on the writing skills will be shared by the subject experts when you have the subject guidance lectures. The synopsis of the subject guidance lectures and the 25% reduced portion will be sent to you by mail once we finish with our subject guidance lectures. And the guidance lectures shall begin from tomorrow, that is from 23rd August. And the timetable for the subject guidance lectures we will be sharing with you after some time. So please follow the timetable, particularly the timings, and see that you do not miss out on this guidance lectures, because this is the initial lecture where you are going to learn so many tips you will be getting from your examiners. So please ensure that you follow the timetable and attend the lectures sincerely. This subject, as I said, will start from tomorrow onwards in the Google Classroom. We'll be sharing you the link. So join the link. For each of the subjects, we are going to share you the link. Arts, Commerce, Science will be having separate classrooms and we'll be giving you separate links for them. Next activity was the distribution of examination kit. By now, most of you must have received the materials. On 19th, of course, everybody who had attended the centers to collect the introductory kit, you have already received the introductory kit. And in that introductory kit, you must have found that we have sent you the main answer sheets, the supplements, thread, barcode sticker, holograph sticker, green paper envelopes, which with hardcover office addresses printed on that. Thread packet, graph paper for mathematics, set A question papers except German and geography. These two papers are going to be mailed to you. We were not very sure with the paper pattern. I think there was some problem regarding the German paper pattern. Therefore, we had to keep it on hold. And now once it is clear and the papers are ready, we are definitely going to post it, share it to you on your mail. The synopsis and the 25% reduced portion shall also be mailed to you very shortly. Now, this particular instruction is only for those students who have opted for courier service. Others need not even think of it, need not even read it. It is specially for those students who have opted for courier services. The website had clearly mentioned that the courier service was for only the introductory kit. And those who had opted for the courier service shall receive the kit soon. Those who have not received will receive very shortly. Some of them must have already received the kit. But now the remaining 3 test papers which we are going to have, how are we going to share this with you? You have 3 options over here. First option, if you still want to continue with the courier service, then you can avail VFast courier service. This is a particular service which is offered, which is available. You can avail of this service and pay at your end. The papers will be available at Ghatkopar office. You can ask your VFast service people to collect it from us and hand it over to you. But the payment will be done at your end once you receive the papers. This is the first option. The second option shall be, we shall email the papers to you at the Falashruti email ID that we are going to provide. Third option, you go to the nearest center. Sorry. You go to the nearest center on the days that we are going to give you the papers and collect your set from that particular center. So whichever option you want to opt for, whichever option you want to choose, you will be provided with a Google form, and in that Google form, you will be writing down your option so that we will take care to see that you get your question papers well in advance, and then you will be not wasting your time hunting for your question papers here and there. So these are the three options which are given only for those who have opted for courier service. Other students will be visiting their centers on the days where we are going to give you the question papers and the model answer paper. So you will be coming now only 3 times, once to collect your 3 times, all the 3 times is to collect your question paper as well as your model answer paper. That's it, nothing more than that. Next comes your, once you get your papers, now you start with the paper writing activity. All, as I said, all the sets of test papers are based on the revised board pattern. Keeping in mind the 25% reduction in portion, the test papers have been framed by the examiners. Emphasis is to be given on developing the writing skills. That is very, very important. By the time you complete your 4 test series, you will be so confident with your subject that you will be waiting to write the board exam at the end. There are students who they desperately say that we are so thorough with our subject that I'm desperately waiting to write the board examination. So that type of confidence is built within you once you have finished writing all the 4 test papers. And just before going to the board examination, you just memorize and recollect the instructions which were given to you during your one-to-one guidance. Every time you have one-to-one guidance, you will find that you get new tips from your examiners, from your subject experts. Note down these tips and remember and recollect them before you appear for the board examination, because this last minute brushing is very, very important, which will maintain your sincerity and consistency in doing extremely well. One more point I would like to emphasize over here, and in that is, every test paper you will find that the questions are not repeated anywhere. In all the 4 question papers, you will not find a single question repeated. So by the time you finish the 4 tests, you will be mastered. You must have been mastered the entire textbook, because the entire textbook is covered by the time all 4 test papers are written by you. So this is the beauty of our 4 test series. Then papers are to be written at home. Avoid, when you're writing the papers at home, you avoid referring any books, guides or notes, which means you have to study the subject thoroughly and then write down the paper. There is no point referring the paper and the answer paper and the question paper and then copying down the answer. It is not going to help you in any way. So please study properly before you start writing your paper. Time schedule to be strictly followed. If the paper is for 2 hours, you start at a particular time and keep a stopwatch so that immediately after 2 hours, you stop writing the paper and you convert it into PDF form and upload that on the Google Classroom. If you do not follow the time, the same lethargic spirit you will be following till the end. So which means our whole idea of making your work, making your practice the time management is not fruitful over here. So please follow the time schedule, and how to keep the time, that will be discussed with you when your teachers come to you for subject guidance from tomorrow onwards. And as I said, once the paper is over, upload the paper immediately. Don't wait for all the papers to be completed and then you say, I will upload all the 6 papers. It becomes difficult to upload 6 papers at a time, because you might miss out on some pages, or one answer paper may go into another answer paper. There are a lot of technical issues also. Internet may not support you. So keeping all these technical points in mind, it is always advisable that as and when you finish writing one paper, you upload your paper and save it. We will be giving you a particular date to write down, to send the papers. When you're writing the papers, always chalk out a timetable for writing the test papers. Don't write all the papers one after the other. Keep a gap of at least 3 days between the 2 papers so that you will prepare yourself and then you write down the answers. It is always advisable to write the test papers after studying the subject. I am repeatedly telling you that study the subject first and then write down the answer. And it is a request that the parents monitor the students when they are writing their tests. Otherwise, it will not be useful for the students. Now, as far as the portion is concerned, you have already received set A paper, and the set A paper is based on 50% of the portion, and this 50% portion is after 25% reduction. The next paper, that is set B paper, will be for 75% portion. It is going to be based on 75% of the portion. Again, after 25% reduction. And the last two papers, set 1 and set 2, will be full 100% portion after reduction of 25% portion. This is the way how the papers have been set. And in all the 4 papers, you will not find any repetition over there. Then after each test is over, after you submit your answer papers, we will be providing you with the model answer paper. Model answer paper will not be given in advance. It will be given to you only next time when we meet for the distribution of the next set of answer paper. That is the time you are going to get the model answer paper. Once the papers you have written, convert it into PDF and upload the PDF as and when the papers are written. All the papers are to be uploaded within the date given in the schedule. You can upload the papers and save it, but you can present it to us only on the date that we have scheduled for you. It is not that because you submitted early, your paper will be corrected early. It's not going to be like that. Everybody's paper will be assessed by the teachers. Just as you are having a timetable, same way our examiners also have been given a time schedule. They will start the assessment from a particular day and finish it by a particular day. And after that, they will upload the answer papers. So we come across that also in the next slide. See, this is the procedure of returning the corrected answer sheet. You have uploaded your answer paper in the Google Classroom. Now, on a particular date, the papers would be assessed online by the examiners within the stipulated period. You have been given a deadline. Even teachers have got the deadline to complete this correction work. They would correct the paper and they would be uploading the assessed papers in the PDF form itself, and the students will receive a mail once all the papers are assessed and uploaded. Suppose I am an English examiner. I start correcting the English paper. Once I finish my correction, I will upload the paper and I am going to save it at my end. It will not be shown to the students because we have to respect the other examiners' speed and time, because we are all working examiners. We are in different institutions. So we have to give them sufficient time to finish the paper correction, and then it is to be uploaded at the same time. Once everybody finishes their correction, then we will send you a mail saying that your papers are ready. You can view your papers after the mail is sent to you. So you can, next slide. So the next stage comes the face-to-face guidance. Once you get the assessed papers, once the teachers have finished the correction and they have uploaded on this Google Classroom, you can see your corrected answer papers and compare it with your model answer paper. As I said, you will be getting the model answer paper only after you have submitted your answer paper. Otherwise, we will not provide you. So model answer paper is to be given at the next level. So after the model answer papers are given to you, you can compare it with the corrected answer sheet and then note down whatever queries you have got, whatever doubts you have got. You may feel that your answer was right, but the teacher has given it wrong. Why teacher has given it wrong? Because teacher must have been expecting the answer to be presented in a different format. So these are the small things which you will be discussing when you start with a face-to-face guidance. So these corrected answer papers you can always compare and keep it ready. Write down your points, write down your queries in the answer paper and keep it ready. So that saves your time and you don't have to hunt for the questions. Then the timetable for the face-to-face guidance will be sent to you well in advance, and these guidance lectures will be conducted throughout the week. It could be on Saturday, Sundays, bank holidays, as well as on working days. Next. Now, if you can quickly take the snapshot of this particular slide, this is for art students. Art students can take the slide, snapshot of this particular slide. For the art students, the subject guidance lectures begins from 24th of August. The first paper is going to be sociology. The timing is also given. It's going to be in the Google Classroom. Then psychology, Sanskrit and French will go together because they are two separate subjects. So it can go together. Some of the lectures are going to be in the evening because you may be college students, you may be having lectures till 6:30. Teachers are also busy till 6:30. Therefore, some of the lectures have been kept late in the evening. We move on to the next slide. I hope you have taken it on. Even otherwise, we are going to share this with you in the Google Classroom. Then we come to commerce section. The commerce students are going to have their lessons from tomorrow onwards at 11 o'clock. Tomorrow will be OC, then we have SP and mathematics at the same time once again, because they are optional subject. Either you take SP or you take math. So it is going to be, we will share two separate links for both the subjects. Then we have bookkeeping followed by Sanskrit and French. Sanskrit and French is going to be common for all the three faculties. So the timing is also given commonly. Then we have IT for commerce and economics. So one day, unfortunately, you are having three sessions, but never mind, it will go off fast so that you can start writing the paper. 27th is English, and then comes, or the last paper is Hindi and Marathi. Next slide. Then we come to science students. Science also, we have got all the subjects. Other than German and geography, we have all the subjects mentioned over here. As I said, there were some technical problems. Therefore, we could not prepare the German paper as well as the geography paper. Now it is all getting ready. So when we upload the papers, simultaneously we'll inform you when we are going to conduct the subject guidance lectures for geography as well as for German. Next. Now, technology is the need of the hour. As you all know, we have become tech savvy. Even we retired principals have become so tech savvy that we cannot work without the computer technology. So to avoid obstacles posed by the lockdown, we have all adopted to the facilities which are now available. We had used Zoom platform to quite a large extent last year, but we felt that Google is much more faster and easier to communicate and easier to understand. It is student friendly. So we are going to convert ourselves from Zoom. We are conducting all the activities through Google Classroom, through Google Meet, uploading of PDF answer sheet, online assessment, as well as face-to-face guidance. Everything under one banner, and that is the Google Classroom. Next. I'm 100% sure most of you must be knowing what is Google Classroom, because in the colleges you must be using Google Classroom. So just to recapitulate what we are going to do, we have written over here. Google Classroom is one of the best platform for smooth workflow. It creates paperless environment, and it is the need of the hour. Paperless environment is the need of the hour. The Google features makes it very ideal for the students as well as for the teachers. Communication with students is very fast. It saves our time and increases our output. It posts assignments. We will be posting assignments and announcements from time to time in the Google Classroom, and you can access it through your through the email ID which the Falashruti is going to provide it. The teachers, we can assess the papers and assign the grades which can be viewed by the students and the parents from their end. Next. From the students' point of view, how good is Google Classroom is also mentioned over here. We will be providing, as I said, Falashruti is going to provide you with unique email ID and password. So with the help of the email ID, you will first open your Google account, Gmail account, and with the help of the link that we are going to provide, you will join the Google class. Keep checking the announcements that will be posted from time to time. The paper writing activity is to be completed within the time schedule and converted to PDF and uploaded. Access the answer papers on a particular day after the announcement has been made. Now, along with we are going to provide 3 more additional videos. See, as I told you in the beginning, we will be sending you the synopsis, the 25% reduction portion, today's presentation, video of how to join Google Classroom with the help of mobile, video of how to join Google Classroom with the help of laptop, and how to submit the PDF of the answer papers. All these videos are going to be provided to you once you start with the Google Classroom. Now, in case, inspire, I think from my, as a advisor of Falashruti, I feel that we have touched upon all the topics and we have simplified the entire activity schedule. But still, if you have any doubts, you can ask us your questions, or you can write to us on info@falashruti.com. And as far as possible, please respect the personal timings of the host, as well as the staff of the Falashruti Shikshan Mandal, and avoid calling or posting messages on WhatsApp as much as possible, because it takes a lot of time to reply to your queries. So instead of that, it is better you write to us on info@falashruti.com, so that everything becomes clear and it is in black and white. So thank you very much for your patient hearing, and I hope that you have all your activities that we have discussed have been understood by you, and you may not have any doubt. But